Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be telling you guys how you can upgrade your car's audio video system without any major changes to your car audio system if you have a CD-ROM drive. For this purpose I just bought a normal tablet, and you can use the tablet for Spotify, watching videos, or Google Maps, and it's a huge screen, so it will be fun. If your car doesn't have a big screen and you wanted to upgrade your audio video system of your car, just go for this way. And if you don't want to change, especially if you don't want to change the wiring, the whole system, this way is better than other ways, in my opinion, if your car is older. And for doing this you need a CD drive in your car's stereo system. I will show you how I installed it. Here is the mount that I will be using. I will put its Amazon link in the description so you can just find it, and it's very easy to install it into the car's stereo system CD drive. You just put it like this into the CD drive, and will be a knob on the end or on the top. You can see, you just have to tighten it, and that's about it. You are ready. And now I will just show you guys how it looks like, and it is adjustable. You can adjust the angle of viewing, so that is very good. You can attach your phone or the tablet. In my opinion, this is now very sturdy and it will not shake. Now I just installed the tablet onto it and I will run Google Maps, and it's simple, and your system has been upgraded visually, and I will just connect the sound via Bluetooth, and I'm happy with its performance. So that was for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.